Unlocking English, Mastering Signal Words for Improved Listening Comprehension. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're going to focus on a crucial topic that can significantly improve your listening comprehension skills. We're going to delve into the world of recognizing signal words. This strategy can help you immensely when you're scanning for specific details in a conversation or a lecture. So, let's get started. Before we dive into how to recognize them, let's first clarify what signal words are. These are words or phrases that guide us through the content, showing us when an idea is being introduced, continued, contrasted, or concluded. They help us anticipate what type of information is coming next, making it easier for us to follow along and understand. Examples of signal words include firstly, in addition, however, finally, and many others. They provide us with cues about the speaker's intentions and the structure of their speech or narrative. Understanding how different signal words are used for different purposes can be a game changer in improving your listening skills. Sequential signal words like firstly, secondly, then, finally, indicate the order of points or steps in a process. When you hear these, you know to expect a list or a series of related points. Additive signal words such as moreover, furthermore, also, and in addition, indicate that the speaker is adding more information. On the other hand, contrastive signal words like but, however, on the other hand, yet, although, signify that the speaker is about to introduce an opposing or contrasting idea. Lastly, causal signal words like because, therefore, as a result, so, show that the speaker is making a cause-effect relationship between ideas. The key to using this strategy effectively is practice. Start actively listening for signal words in conversations, TV shows, movies, podcasts, and lectures. At first, you might need to consciously look for them, but over time, recognizing signal words will become second nature. Remember, these words are your roadmap through the conversation. They help you predict what's coming next, so you can better focus on and understand the specific information you're listening for. And that's it for today, folks. I hope that this deep dive into the world of signal words helps you unlock a new level of listening comprehension in English. Remember, the more you listen, the more you learn. Keep practicing and stay curious. As always, thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!